Panasonic is pleased to present our newest AVC Cam camera, the solid-state handheld AG-HMC150.
Every once in a while, a camera comes along that rocks the industry. We had the AVCHD 6 years ago, and now we have the AG-HMC150.
The Panasonic AG-HMC150 handheld camcorder presents the next generation of affordable, high-definition recording.
Rather than tape, the HMC150 records on this fabulous little SD cards. They're so readily available, and the cost of them are coming down on a daily basis. And as the cost of the SD cards come down, the value of the camera comes up.
You can say goodbye to the hassles of recording on tape and step up to the benefits and easy workflow of solid-state recording.
We don't need a deck. We don't need to digitize from the deck to the computer.
And like your digital still camera, you can reuse the SD card over and over again, substantially reducing the cost of acquisition versus tape or disc-based camcorders.
A question I'm often asked is, how many minutes does the HMC150 record? On this little SD card, we can record from 3 to 12 hours on the HMC150, depending on the quality chosen by the shooter. The 150 is the first camera to introduce the PH mode. It stands for Professional HD. Now, besides shooting in 1080i, we can now shoot in 1080p 30 and 24, as well as 720p 60, 30, and 24.
Panasonic AVC Cam cameras have 3 progressive CCD imagers, ensuring high sensitivity and high color resolution.
Your video quality will blow away anyone trying to shoot a job with standard definition. Right out of the box, it comes with a 28.3mm lens. So you can shoot in confined spaces and not have the associated weight and cost of a wide-angle attachment.
This camera is loaded with a number of professional features, including a waveform display that is a great asset during critical shooting.
Who's taking a battery-powered waveform monitor and vectorscope to the beach? You are if you have an HMC150, and it can save the job.
The HMC150 is a versatile and very powerful camera that is extremely easy to use. And as you can see, the results are stunning.
So with high definition, solid-state recording, and all the features we've put in the HMC150 at this price level, it's got to be the perfect choice for you to enter the HD world.